What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So we're on episode 8 of the R1 build series. I can't believe it. I first want to extend all of you a thank you for the likes, the new subscribers, and everyone who's been commenting. I've really enjoyed chatting with all you guys in the comment section, so keep them coming. Happy to answer any questions and talk about, my bike, your R1, whatever it is. So since we last filmed, we got the Q3 Pluses installed for the front and rear. Going to be selling the RS11s locally, so we'll get rid of those guys, but stoked to start running these tires. They're brand new, so got to put in the break-in miles and get them roughed up a bit. And we finally got our Akrapovic Link Pipe. So I paid for 2-day shipping, but it arrived a week and almost I don't know, a week and a half later basically. So it's been a long wait, but I've been super excited to throw this on. Right now we just have the Akrapovic slip-on, and sadly it is just as quiet as stock. So I will give you guys a sound clip of the Acra with the stock cat, just so you guys can hear it, and then we'll also do a sound clip at the end. So the cat that we will be removing, I'm sure you guys know, it's like 20 pounds of weight savings, so it's just a huge waste of piping on this bike. So stoked to throw on the Link, stoked to hear how it sounds, so stay tuned for the video. All right, guys. So as you guys heard, it's pretty much almost the same as stock. So let's throw that Link Pipe on there. Let's get that deeper sound of the R1 that everybody loves. And for those who are wondering, that white smoke is condensation. It's a little chilly out and it's raining. It is not oil. So, all right, we'll get to it. Alright, so here is the Acra titanium Link Pipe. It's full titanium, as you can see, and these welds are just incredible. They're so smooth. On the top we have our two O2 sensors, and then we have another, I believe, an O2 bung that is safety wired. And then here we have a carbon fiber cover which replaces the carbon fiber piece that we currently have on the muffler already, and this, I believe, just hides more of the piping going down underneath the bike. So we're going to be replacing the one that's on there now, throwing this one on. They did include some anti-seize right here. We have the 2 clamps, and then they do provide O2 plugs in case you want to plug these up. But we're going to be installing the original O2 sensors, so we won't be using them. So, all right, let's throw it on. Wow, I didn't realize how big this was. Yeah, that's about 20 pounds. Gosh, that's crazy. All right, let's throw the link on. Alright guys, so we got everything installed. Got rid of that huge cat in the back. O2 sensors installed, clamps installed. Just got to put the side panels on each side. So I'm going to give it one more wipe down with WD-40. Just make sure I didn't get any fingerprints on any of the titanium. And then we'll do another cold start. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. I tell you, the cameras, microphones do not do this exhaust justice. It's got that deep, throaty, just angry sound. It's exactly what I was looking for. So, really not sure what's next for the build series. Why don't you guys leave a comment in the description below what you would like me to throw on this bike next. Leave it up to you guys. Alright, so if you guys are liking the series, please drop a like. I will leave the links to the link pipe and slip-on in case you're interested in the description below, and subscribe for the future episode that you guys get to decide. Alright, ride safe out there.